are some of the healthy habits that you've implemented in your life and your routine so that mentally, physically, you stay where you want to be?
Yeah, it's a great question. I mean, I'm under quite a bit of pressure, as you know, in the deal world, and there's so many twists and turns, and we have to be ahead of the curve in process. And so I'll say that one of the most important things for me is that if I tap out, and I'm not working, I really do my best to just kind of put the phone away. And this might be contra to what other people consider to be relaxing and a healthy habit, but I spend a lot of time with my wife, and and she's really my closest friend, and she helps me to decompress. And she's started a pickleball league about a year and a half in now, and it's got hundreds of members. And she's funny. I mean, she could, I think, organize a Fortune 500 company better than she could do this league. I mean, it's so much logistics and moving parts, but it's she's doing that with a couple other folks, and I get involved in that with her. So that keeps me active and keeps the movement going. I'll say that when I speaking about when I disengage from the work, it's really important for me to really not be in it, which is difficult, right? Because I might get client calls at 11 o'clock at night and all that, and I'll take those, and I have to be there for them. But one of the most important things for me is sleep too, and I mean, movement during the day at some point and sleep at night are so vital to me. And I grew up in a culture, of Cuban background where, Latins thought that sleep was for the weak. And so, a lot of it is, I'm not a great sleeper, but I can tell the difference when I get a good one versus a bad one. So anyway, I'd say those are two sort of areas of focus for me.